I'm in charge here.
Source?
My badge.
Fake news.
Name. Icon. Real name. Trademark pending.
Please stop talking.
That violates my brand.
You don't have a brand.
Yeah.
You're unbelievable.
I'm the officer here.
Emotionally?
Legally.
Debatable.
Call dispatch.
Call drama. Call drama. Call drama.
No.
Calling drama.
Really?
Really, really, really? Squawk! 10-4, 10-31, code 3!
This is my job.
This is my moment! 10-7, 10-13, all units!
Copy that.
Squawk! 10-4, 10-31, code 3!
This is my job.
This is my moment! 10-7, 10-13, all units!
Copy that.
Be honest.
I always am.
That explains a lot.
Rude, but fair.
Lower your voice.
This is my lower voice.
That's alarming.
You're welcome.
This footage proves everything.
It proves I look good.
That's not the point.
It's a point.
A very small one.
But perfectly feathered.
She was speeding.
I was emotionally rushing.
That's not a defense.
It's a lifestyle.
Right. License and registration, lifestyle included.
Sit down.
I am sitting.
On my nerves.
Furnished nicely.
I had a great day. Someone did.
Hey, no, don't. Why is my avatar a tiny police car? Kiwi, chill! Oh, great. Now it's a giant donut. Fantastic. You're building a microstation? That is not to scale, buddy. Whoa, where did the blimp come from? Kiwi, I need you to stop pressing things.
We're done here.
I'll allow it.
You don't allow anything.
We'll discuss that later.
Right. Have it your way, Featherhead.
You're making my job harder.
I bring flavor.
This is law enforcement.
Needs seasoning.
We're not running a kitchen out here.
Then why'd you call for backup?
Father, I'm bagging this.
That's my hat!
It's evidence.
It's fashion.
Father, I'm bagging this.
That's my hat!
It's evidence.
It's fashion.
Remain calm.
You remain calm!
I am calm.
Liar!
Do you know the speed limit?
Spiritually?
Numerically?
Optimistically.
Dispatch, suspect is
Horrible!
uncooperative.
Strongly opinionated.
She clicks the radio off.
You spelled my name wrong.
You don't have a name.
Wow.
Wow, indeed.
This feather was found at the scene.
Rude.
Care to explain?
Fashion accident. Huh?
You missed a comma.
Rude. Accurate.
This is you.
Allegedly.
There's video.
Deep fake.
It's 4K.
Dispatch, this is Ramirez. I need backup at 4th and Alder. Possible burglary in progress.
Tell him I said hi.
They're not your fans, Tango.
They will be.
Backup's 2 minutes out. Just behave.
No promises.
You have the right to remain silent.
I decline.
That's not optional.
I'm self-employed.
Lady, you're a parrot.
Entrepreneurial parrot.
Be quiet.
I said quiet.
Scam, patrol, paperwork, peace.
True story. I rule here.
Are you serious right now? Yep, day in my life. Dispatch, this is Officer Diaz. Traffic stop at...
Reloading. Oh, human.
Negative, that's my Parrot.
Ignore. Charlie, you look fabulous in uniform. Squawk. Processing. Processing.
You're tuned to Parrotcast FM.
Hey, I do. Not today.
Pat,
I deserve a badge.
you deserve quiet time.
That's discrimination.
That's peace.
Do you understand why you're here?
For the vibes.
Incorrect.
Debatable.
Sit still.
Emotionally or physically?
Hands where I can see
have legs.
Lower them.
Wow. Oppression.
You were speeding.
I was blinded.
That's not a thing.
It is for me.
I hate today.
Step, name,
Legend.
age,
Timeless.
occupation.
Annoying you.
Just a mission. Stop talking. Fantastic.
License.
Expired.
Insurance.
Emotionally.
Get out.
Honk. Rock.
A single honk from the car echoes as the Parrot squawks proudly.
This is your final warning.
I've heard that before.
From who?
Everyone.